guys, it's me Jhay Anne. Today I will make some jewelries from Pandahall selected. So I have these few things with me. First I'm going to do some silver necklace. So let's go ahead. So I did unboxing of this and I showed you that I have this like stainless jewelries with me, and then I have these like pendants I pick also. Oh, these are a lot, so I'm gonna combine them together and I will show you how it looks like. And look, I have like bunch of chain. It's already like made. All you need to do is just put some pendant, whichever you like. Like I have so much options here. Like I can also make some earrings, but mostly they are pair pendants. So I can make like earrings and then necklace also at the same time. So here are the things. Let me show you from the camera how do they look like. I will get this chain, and then since I'm a Pisces, I will get this little mermaid. Like, look at that. So I will get this. They're already open. Oh, something fell down. So your first is, this is very basic. And then this one. So it looks like, the mermaid looks like this. The small piece of connector fell down. I need to get a new one, so I'm going to make the necklace now. But what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to put it inside this chain, inside the hole, because the chain is too big for the connector. So yeah, and it will not like go around everywhere, so it will stay in the middle, stuck in the middle. Then all I'm going to do is just like close it, lock. So yeah, here it is now, and let's put it on. So it doesn't suit this one, so it looks like this. It's really nice. So yeah, that's very easy. So for the next, I am going to make this golden jewelry, got this golden chain. Oh, and it has like a pair keychain, and it looks like this curvy thing. And this is actually a nice chain because, like, I'm going to show you how it looks like. That's the design. It's like with flat design. They flatten it. So all I have to do is it's actually with this one, with the lock, and then this small thing here. So I'm gonna use this, and I hope I will not lose any of these connectors. I think this is connector, not sure. I don't want to lose anything anymore, so I'm not sure if these can get inside as well. So probably I'm going to use the bigger connector since this is too small for the chain, and for the pendant they cannot like fit together. These are actually made of stainless material, so it will not like fade after one use like what I had before. So this is like safer material to have, and also cheap. Oop. So yeah, I just opened it, and then I'm going to put this keychain and then this chain at the same time. So you have to make sure that you lock it properly so it will not fall down while you are wearing this kind of necklace, like some kind of handmade necklace, because it happens to me like the pendant just fell down. So I'm gonna put it on. So yeah, it looks like this. It looks nice. So that's the end of my video. I just make like very easy necklaces for today. So that's it. It's all from Pandahall Selected. You can check their website if you want to see some jewelries or accessories from their website. They have a lot of things there. You can browse, and they ship worldwide. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you again on the next one. Bye bye.